Shivaya. Guru Brahma, Guru Vishnu, Guru Devo Maheshwaraya. Guru Sakshat Parabrahma, Tasmai Shri Guruve Namaha. Tasmai Shri Guruve Namaha. Tasmai Shri Guruve Namaha. Guru is a very beautiful word in Sanskrit. It's made by two words. Gu means darkness. Ru means the one who bring you out of darkness. So the Guru is which brings you out of the darkness. What a beautiful meaning it is. And this mantra is about the understanding, about the surrendering yourself to your Guru, to your master, to your mentor. But the word Guru is the supreme word. Guru Brahma, Guru Vishnu, Guru Devo Maheshwara. It means Guru is everything for me. Guru is a creator, Guru is a caretaker, and Guru is a Sakshat Shiva, destroyer. What a beautiful meaning it is. And it says, I surrender myself completely to my Guru, and I don't know anything else. Nothing else I know. I just know my Guru. What a dedication it needs. What a sense of surrendering it needs. So I will teach you this beautiful mantra in today's class. Guru Brahma, Guru Vishnu, Guru Devo Maheshwara, Guru Sakshat Parabrahma, Tasmai Shri Guruve Namaha, Tasmai Shri Guruve Namaha. I bow to that Guru. I give my complete self in the feet of my Guru. So let's start the class today. Om Namah Shivaya. As you can see, we have Sanskrit and English text here. If you can read Devanagari, it will be good. If you cannot, you can read English, and I will teach you how to chant this beautiful mantra step by step. First 3 times I will chant the mantra and you just read. Just keep your eyes on every word you listen. It's just in front of you, so it would be very easy. And try to understand the structure of the language Sanskrit. Guru Brahma, Guru Vishnu, Guru Devo Maheshwara, Guru Sakshat Parabrahma, Tasmai Shri Guruve Namaha. This is the structure of the Sanskrit language, that you can see one more extra R in the end of Guru. So this is a grammatical structure of the Sanskrit. But when you write a single word Guru, it only comes in the spelling Guru. So we don't write R when we write Guru separately. This is you have to remember. Let's do it one more time. Guru Brahma, Guru Vishnu, Guru Devo Maheshwara, Guru Sakshat Parabrahma, Tasmai Shri Guruve Namaha. Guru Brahma, Guru Vishnu, Guru Devo Maheshwara, Guru Sakshat Parabrahma, Tasmai Shri Guruve Namaha. Let's have a look at the meaning of this mantra once, and then it will be more clear to you. Brahma is a supreme god in ancient Vedic culture, and Brahma is a creator. Brahma created this world, Brahma created us, Brahma created everything. So, Brahma is a creator. The first word, Guru Brahma, it means my Guru is my Brahma. My Guru is a creator of myself, so I assume that Guru is Brahma. Guru Vishnu. Vishnu is a god who take care of the world. Take care of your breathing, your food, your water, your all physical and mental necessities is all controlled by Vishnu. That's what we assume, that everything is given to us to live happy life is because of the blessings of our Guru. Guru Devo Maheshwara, and Maheshwar is Lord Shiva, Bhagwan Shiv, is a form of destroyer, because when he destroy everything, then he have the space to create something new. So when the old us will be destroyed, then only our Guru can create new us. Otherwise we will be all old. So this is the three very important things in the first phase. Second, Guru Sakshat Par Brahma. Par Brahma is the one what we are looking for in meditation, the state of zero. Tasmai Shri Guruve Namaha. I bow myself to that Guru, which contains all the four positions mentioned above. This is the meaning, and now let's go one by one word. Gurur Brahma, Gurur Vishnu, Gurur Devo Maheshwara, Guru Sakshat Par Brahma, Tasmai Shri Guruve Namaha. Now you have a little idea how to sing this, how to chant this mantra. So you can go word by word after me. First I will chant and then you repeat after me. Guru Brahma, Guru Vishnu, Guru Devo Maheshwara, Guru Sakshat Par Brahma, Tasmai Shri Guruve Namaha. Beautiful. You have done good job. Let's go one line by one line now. Guru Brahma, Guru Vishnu. Repeat now. Guru Devo Maheshwara, Guru Sakshat Par Brahma, Tasmai Shri Guruve Namaha. Very nice. Now you can catch the flow, catch the rhythm of the mantra. It's very beautiful. And when you will chant in one flow from top to the bottom, you will feel the amazing strength and vibrations from the chanting, which will give you very positive energy. Let's go again, line by line. Guru Brahma, Guru Vishnu, Guru Devo Maheshwara, Guru Sakshat Parbrahma Tasmai Shri Guruve Namaha. Beautiful, beautiful. You have done really good job. I can imagine how you are feeling now, how peaceful and the sense of achievement you are feeling now. Let's go again. I will chant one line and then you repeat after me. Guru Brahma, Guru Vishnu, Guru Devo Maheshwara, Guru Sakshat Parbrahma, Tasmai Shri Guruve Namaha. That's how you can repeat and practice. I hope it will be very helpful for you. Thank you.